Are you looking for the best OTF knives? In this video, we will look at some of the best OTF knives on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SF440 Blade OTF Survival Knife. Full length, 235mm, 9.25 inches. Blade length, 90mm, 3.54 inches. Closed length, 145mm, 5.70 inches. Blade thickness, 2.5mm, 0.098 inches. Blade material, 440. Handle material, ABS. Hardness, 55-57 HRC. Net weight, 79 grams. Number 2. OTF Micro Hawk. Product parameters. Full length, 230mm, 9.05 inches. Blade length, 95mm, 3.74 inches. Closed length, 135mm, 5.31 inches. Blade thickness, 4mm, 0.157 inches. Blade material, D2. Handle material, aviation aluminium plus carbon fiber. Hardness, 56-58 HRC. Net weight, 127 grams. Number 3. Halmak Wolf Model Commando Knife. Complete length, 30 cm. Hilt length, 12 cm. Weight, 450 g. With sheath. High carbon stainless steel. Türkiye'de Manufactured. Tescilli Product. ABS plated steel handle. Case in front of Pocketknife for mobile. TC Commando. Multifunctional paracord drawstring pouch case. Suitable for hunting and camping use. Case gift.
Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Number 4. Columbia P006 Steel Survival Big Size Knife. Brand Columbia. Stainless steel. Soft steel over light hilt. Has Eldon hardcase custom design. Blade length 15 cm. Total length 28 cm long. Sent to be attached to the belt together with the original pouch. Weight 180 grams. Number 5. ABS handle fixed blade knife. Knife tactical EDC outdoor tool. Type, fixed knife. Length overall, 230mm. Blade length, 99mm. Blade thickness, 0.5 cm. Handle length, 120mm. Blade material, 7cr17 MOF. Knife weight, 209 grams. Hardness, plus 57 HRC. Handle material, ABS. Notice, about Ganzo, the brand has changed from Ganzo to Firebird, so the knife you received may be the Ganzo brand or the Firebird brand. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.